welcome back to the channel. If you saw the opening scene on this video, you know what we're working on, Ruby. I spent last weekend, I didn't get any of it on video, but I spent last weekend cleaning the interior up, and I pressure washed the car because it had been sitting for a really long time, and it was very, very filthy. I just didn't feel like filming last weekend. But anyway, you know what we're working on today. I just got done washing it, and I'm going to take it for a drive and just dry it off, blow the leaves and crap off of it. And then we're going to get back and we're going to try out that Derek Beery's Vice Grip Garage Shine Juice on it. This car, I'm never going to paint it. It's one of those things where the car is nice enough to drive, but I don't want to put that much money into painting the car. So I'm just going to put the Shine Juice on it. You guys did notice that the top on this thing is, or the vinyl top, is in very bad shape. I think I will get that fixed. And like I said, get that fixed, Shine Juice, get the tires cleaned up, and I think it's going to be a nice, presentable driver. I said many times before, and I've been back and forth about it, about using the drivetrain and the frame, suspension and everything under our 66 F100 pickup truck. And I would take the car, drop the insurance on it, cancel the registration, and I'd set it off to the side, and I would see it sitting there. And I'm just like, man, it's not perfect. It's far from perfect, I know. But it was just too good to just chop up. So I waffled back and forth, and I stalled, and I stalled, and I stalled. And finally, another early Panther platform car showed up on Facebook Marketplace here recently, and I ran over there and snagged it up. I got it for a steal of a deal. The body and the interior on that car is just trashed. So, I mean, I don't feel bad about, you know, chopping that one up at all. But as for Ruby, she's got a new lease on life. Cleaned her up. I've been driving her back and forth to work all week. And I tell you what, man, I just love this car, man. I do. It rides great. It rides soft. It goes down the road. I mean, but it just looks like crap right now because of the top and because of the paint. But we're going to address one of those today and put the Shine Juice on the paint, kind of richen it up a little bit, make it look better, clean the tires up. And later on, you know, a month or so from now, I'm probably going to tear this top off of it. And I've got a guy that's going to redo the top for me, but I'm going to take the top off and just check and make sure there's no rust under the vinyl. And I think there may be, but if that's the case, then I'll go ahead and fix it, take it over to him, let him redo the roof, and this car is going to be looking good again. So let's go take this thing for a drive. Now I did take the tires off of it, or not the tires, I took the wheels and tires off of it recently, and I bought these cheap tires from eBay. They're like Tornells is the brand name, but they were the cheapest white walls I could find for it. At the time I was really on a tight budget because I wasn't sure what I was going to do with the car. But come to find out that two of them are really out of round. So I had to put those on the back because both of them happened to be on the front of the car. And man, this thing bounced like crazy going down the road. But here in the last year, I finally wound up buying myself a real set of tire machines, and I put them on the balancer, and boy, they were bad. I mean, they were really bad. So I put those two on the back, so the two best ones are on the front, so now it drives a whole lot better. Makes a world of difference.
Think about the times you let me go, falling through the cracks, emotional. I struggle to see what your reasons are. Sitting in your balance, silence breaks my heart. Turn the key, used to be our getaway car. Now I only wanna get away from where we are. Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Out on the water, I'm swimming hard and trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you.
right, guys, car's all dried off. Richard's here, he's going to help me. We're going to put the shine juice on it. So we'll put you on a time lapse for that. So let's get to it. Guys, that's it. I've had that bottle of shine juice for like a year now, I believe. Anyway, I was, as I was talking before, I was kind of debating back and forth between if Ruby was going to get a reprieve or she was going to get cut up or whatever for the 66 F100 project. But I'm glad to say that the car will not be cut up. It's gonna stay a driver like it is. So I'd like to have some wire wheels for it, but I'm probably not going to be able to afford those. But a man can dream, right? Anyway, like I said before, I've got another hoopty back there around the back of the shop to do the 66 F100 with, and with Richard's help here, come on over here, Richard. This is my son-in-law, Richard. What's up? It took us what, 15 minutes? Yeah, 15 minutes to do this. I mean, and it made a world of difference. I mean, it's night and day difference what it looks like. So anyway, I did start that $300 sound system that I bought last winter, and you'll see me finish that up this winter. So anyway, I do have the radio in, I do have the speakers in, but I don't have the amps and I don't have the subwoofer. But anyway, that stuff's coming up next. So I hope you guys will stay tuned for that, and I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.